Hello guys, it's your boy Ratchet here, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on a see if I even have the app still. So guys, the app that you'll need to make an intro, guys, we're gonna teach you guys how to edit, how to make an intro. Now guys, so say if you have like a 50-minute video, which I hardly doubt you guys have, it's gonna take a while just to process everything. If you have a 20-minute video, it's gonna still take a little bit to process everything. First, you're gonna have to do the editing, then you're gonna have to have patience. Well, unless you're not a nurse, you don't have to have patience. Do you get it? Whatever, that was so cheesy. So guys, what you need to do is go to your Play Store, guys. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe. I know you haven't subscribed yet, so please, for the support so you can get more tutorials on stuff. And guys, I might be playing Agario, some other games. I might be doing scary reactions, funny reaction videos, and stuff like that. And guys, if you subscribe, comment down below. I will give you a shout out to your YouTube channel. Now, eventually I'll be giving out more shout outs, guys, to like one of my friends' channels. And sometimes once I start getting, I am upgrading already, guys, since I've already started my YouTube channel. I know you don't want to hear all this, but guys, I'm gonna be upgrading to a camera, the laptop, so we can actually go outside and do stuff. So guys, what you need to do is download Filmora Go. Guys, I will try to link it down in the description. Honestly, I'm not good at linking videos, but guys, I'll eventually figure it out. So guys, once you install Filmora Go, you need to go to Filmora Go. I don't know how to spell. Actually, guys, you know what? First, I'm gonna go to my camera. Still, I don't know. I don't even know how to spell camera. Yo, guys, this is me right here. Hello. So, I'm going to make a video I might want to edit. So, I'll be like, what's up, guys? Well, alright. I might not be able to record a video like that. Guys, it didn't work. I might be able to take a picture. So guys, if you want to, you can go take a picture of a dark. Let's see if this works. Alright guys, you want to take a dark picture. Now you want to go back to Filmora Go. And once you're on Filmora Go, go to, here's my saved projects. Guys, I've had a couple projects. So guys, that was one of mine. I just put high news because I didn't know what to put. Here, what I tried to do is crop a picture to show just my TV. I might show that here a little. It's this one. I did that for my friend's channel. So guys, now, of course you don't always want it the same. So, what I'm going to do is, I already have some 5-second videos. So I'm at that. Now guys, shoot, what did I just do? So it's already got some 5-second videos. Like, here, let's add that. So, once you go to create a new thing, you go to whatever you want to get your videos at. And then you want to click on the video and press add on it. Then you're gonna press next. You can also press back if you want to add another video in. So guys, here's all the stuff. You can do music. If you don't want intense music, you might want like not red eyes, like guys, this is the one I use right here. It's red eyes, because it's tense music and it's already there for you. So guys, make sure you have on for the whole entire minute. Guys, you don't want your intro for 1 minute or else people are just gonna skip through your intro. So guys, I've already added it in my music. Now a transition is this where you can, I'll show you that in another video actually. So guys, what you need to do is go to here, go to editing tools. Now here is kind of complicated, not really. So guys, the filter I use, since I have a black screen, once you use a filter, it makes it a certain color. Like golden makes it this, violet makes it violet. This, I use charcoal, or I use charcoal. Now you might want it something else. Like I will use bloom. Now I do an overlay of. That scared me. I'm not joking, that scared me. No. So guys, if there's actually music in it, you go to audio mixture. Now you want the sound, and you don't want any of that. So this is where the video is. Now guys, if you can't really pick up the audio of your video, you can mute it. You can like turn it up to 200%, or you can press this button right here, and mute it. Same with that, just a quicker way. Alright, so now now guys, you don't want your freaking thing blaring. So now the overlays. Whoo! I don't ever use I do use this sometimes. Sometimes I'll use fog. Fog isn't on here. Think it's on the elements. Fog. Fog is on. You can do stars. Yeah, fog looks the best. Now guys, probably can't hear me with the music, so now we go to titles. Now here's what you want your intro to look like. Now guys, I use 80s. There's concert. And you know guys, there's children in it. And you can do like other ones. You can do other ones like fashion. So fashion honestly doesn't look bad. So guys, and here's where you can add your title. And so what you might want to put for your title is like do not spell it? Ratchet, yeah. Ratchet. Okay. So guys, I might use this one for my my intro for this video. And that's pretty dang loud. Alright. It's pretty loud. And plus guys, my video is kinda long. This is gonna be a long video. Now guys, might show videos on how to make thumbnails and stuff. But guys, you gotta go subscribe for that stuff, or else I'm doing this for nothing. All right. So guys, that's pretty much the intro right there. So just press OK, press save, and then you save the project. Now guys, this is going to be quick because it's only 5 seconds. But Film or Go will give you a shout out, which is stupid. And there we go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Go subscribe and leave a like, guys. And you can do the same thing with your endings, guys. And I'll see you back in the next video. Go subscribe.